lunch buffet.
Here we go, we're sailing away.
Really good.
So refreshing.
A 9 out of 20.
That's the spaghetti bolognese, and then I'll be honest, the steak looks pretty good.
Drawing them right there.
Silent disco, baby. What is up, guys? It's Carson, it's Sammy, we're the Complete Couple, and today is February 13th, day before Valentine's Day.
Oh, fun fact, it's Friday the 13th today.
That's not cool. We are hopping on Liberty of the Seas today. Happy early Valentine's Day to all you Valentine folks. We will see you guys for 3 nights aboard the Liberty of the Seas. Do a room tour, do the casino tour, show you all the vlogs. We're gonna go to the brand new private island.
That's gonna be insane.
In Nassau.
It opened in December. I think it's the Royal Beach Club or something like that. It was pretty pricey, so hopefully we'll like it, but we'll see. But today, we're gonna go on board, go to the Windjammer, go to dinner, go to trivia, go to the shows, do it all. You know how it is. Let's go get in the
Subscribe.
That too.
Alrighty, here we go. Liberty of the Seas. I have to be honest, we are spoiled in Port Canaveral. That port is so nice. This port down here in Miami, this isn't even the actual, this is Fort Lauderdale. I hate the Fort Lauderdale port. It's absolutely terrible.
You have to check your car, you have to check your ID. That doesn't happen in Miami, and that does not happen in anywhere but here.
It's really because you're coming into a like shipping dock at the end of the day. Like this is like a shipping unloading dock.
Yes, so.
But it's weird. I absolutely hate it.
Yeah, it's super stressful. All right, we're gonna drop our bags off.
There's our ship. We're hopping on.
Partying in the Windjammer today. We got an alien, guys. Look at him go. Got it all. Here is our lunch buffet. We got on board, by the way. Didn't mention that. Got a lot of brown. It's a pork schnitzel, mashed potatoes, a beef stew type situation, and some Indian chicken. And then I got a really pretty salad that I made. Not gonna bore you. I will come back and rate my plate after I finish, and Carson's going to get his. Quick update. The potatoes are good and they're hot. If you know, you know. A lot of cruise ship buffets, I always get the mashed potatoes. If the potatoes are cold, you know it's gonna be a bad buffet. Potatoes are nice and hot, and I walked around with them for a while. That is really bad. That's super, super dry. Like so dry, like chalk. The Indian chicken is incredible. If you know, you know. Always get the Indian on the ships. It's the best. And the pork schnitzel is pretty fire. And Carson just came back with his plate. A completely different plate of mine. So we're gonna try all this. What do you got?
I got some of the paella, chicken, pork schnitzel, the roast beef. I don't know, that was some kind of broccoli pasta.
What's that?
Chicken.
Oh, are both chicken?
Both chicken. I got a lot of chicken.
All right, go ahead. I saw that pasta. It didn't look good, so I failed.
It's okay.
The paella, I'm not gonna lie, actually looks really fresh.
Paella's fantastic.
See if you like the pork schnitzel. I liked it. I want to see if you like it. I actually really liked it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like shiny. It's like very pretty rice, if that makes sense. Well, mine's great. What is that? Oh, that was on the carving station. Ooh.
Roast beef, a little overdone.
So dry, but you never know.
Try this one. Not bad. Now this may be dry. Let's see. It's okay.
All right. So overall, paella is great. Pork schnitzel is great, and everything else was all right. Yeah, that's about my plate. I said bad, good, very good, very good. There you go.
This is amazing.
All right, we'll catch up after this, and then we'll bring you back. Probably a sail away. So here is our porthole window stateroom, definitely showing its age. If you want a full tour, check that out on our channel. We just did a casino tour, a full ship tour, and a room tour. So, a little tired. But we're gonna go to hot dog, then we're gonna go to sail away, and we'll see you there at sail away. So we are on the pool deck. We are walking up to Sprinkles. The ship is full. It feels like a sold out ship, which I bet you money it is a sold out ship because it is Valentine's weekend. Yeah, that too. So it's really busy. Us, we're gonna get ice cream. I don't think I've really ever had this ice cream, so I'm gonna tell you how it is.
Excited.
All right, so I do see now why the line is so long on either side.
It is delicious.
It's really good.
So refreshing. Honestly, it's very nice ice cream.
It's kind of light. Not too sweet, but sweet enough. Wow.
It's the perfect size too. He doesn't give you too much. It's just like enough to.
Yeah. Well, there's Slam. We came out to Oliver Twist for Sail Away. Really nice spot. Table, bar, great views. So 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. It is pretty slammed and we don't sail away. Sorry, my things don't work for another 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. So get here early if you want a spot. I got physically the last table and chair. And we're gonna watch Sail Away. We can watch the party and we can watch Sail Away. And it's air conditioned. Again, bar, chair, very nice.
Here we go, we're sailing away. That ship already sailed.
Celebrity Ascent.
There they go. We are moving.
I like it up here.
That is nice. Here we go.
Alright, we are in the Schooner Bar for trivia. Can't wait. I'm pumped. And it's going to be right in here at the Schooner Bar, so we'll see how we do. We're usually really bad, but love a good trivia.
Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me here for your welcome aboard trivia. Yes?
We did pretty good this time. We got 9 out of 20. Let's see who wins.
We've done the same exact trivia 15
Are you
times,
happy
so
with
you
your
still
score?
can't get more than 50%.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's okay. Do we have 19 one more time? 19, clap your hands.
I got
Do we have
nothing.
more than 19 in the house? Going once, going twice. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big applause to your winner. Sir, can you come forward now?
Yay.
All right, guys, just like that, we are changed and ready for the night. We're gonna go play some casino. Just saw us do trivia. I'm gonna get a coffee because I'm kind of tired.
It is the 70s, 80s, 90s party, so it's neon night, so that's why I'm in my 70s, 90s dress.
Neon night.
And we also have dinner in the main dining room. We have an ice skating show tonight. Been a while since we've seen an ice skating show, probably like 2 years. And the rest is history, so let's go see what Royal Caribbean Liberty of the Seas has.
Sorry if I just did that. I shot Afrin up my nose.
Let's go.
Kind of cool about that at dinner, but they do the
Vintage.
used vintage. What's that one go for?
Not back 1600, but it's a product.
1600. What's that one go for? It's right
That
there.
one's cool.
That was actually cute.
Oh, it's scratched up bad. 1755, look at the scratches.
17. Oh my god, yeah, look at that one's
Beat.
used. A lot of used stuff though. Look at them all.
That's really
Oh
cool.
my god, baby, there's a shit.
Oh my god. Okay, for $3 grand I could buy a new one though.
I mean, literally for 3 G's you can go buy a new.
You definitely could. The satchel's pretty cool.
They still sell that, I think.
$16.75. That's a good price.
I'd like to see what that is online. I bet it's literally
I'll put it in the screen.
$2,800 online.
Joke is on us. It's actually $1,800 new on Louis' website, and I did double check the tag. That is the correct one. Yeah, which is $1,000 off. That's a lot.
It's used though.
Yeah, but it looks good.
Kind of cool. They got product glasses and stuff too.
Everywhere.
So for those of you guys wondering, My Time Dining is on deck 3. That is where My Time Dining is. And I can tell you there's a lot of people for My Time Dining right now. No way. Oh my. Do we have reservations or no reservations? Okay, we're good.
I made a reservation.
That was for the ice show. So this is the welcome aboard dinner. Your starter, spinach artichoke dip, grilled shrimp cocktail, always a win. Sorry, chilled shrimp cocktail, roasted tomato soup, Caesar salad, escargot au bourguignon, crispy crab cakes. Main course is pan, roasted fish fillet, southern fried chicken. They added that to the buffet. New York strip, slow roasted prime rib. I've been not liking the prime ribs on board recently. Spaghetti bolognese, herb crusted stuffed portobellos, grilled chicken breast, and aromatic chicken sog. They had that on the buffet as well. Here's your premiums if you want to get some stuff from Chops. Here's your desserts. Probably a royal cheesecake's not wrong. And that's what you got. If you want to see the featured beverages, they got a sangria, probably pretty good. And all aboard spritz and a 547 Josh Sellers Pinot Noir.
Alrighty, this is the roasted tomato soup. This is the escargot, and on Royal, their escargot is actually very good, so make sure I try that. And that is the shrimp cocktail. Oh, you're gonna go in for an escargot?
Really good. Could be a little hotter. Kind of cool.
Try shrimp, well, shrimp.
Can't mess it up.
Can't, well, you could, probably, right?
Theoretically, yeah.
Now, you can definitely mess up a tomato soup because it can be too watery, under seasoned. A lot of things can go wrong with tomato soup. It does. It's not bad. Not bad. It's 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. For Royal, I've had waterier. No, that soup's pretty good. Oh, we have a salad coming. They remembered because they already brought the wine, so I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, they actually still have not brought your wine.
No. So we'll see. Dining room service so far?
I want to get your opinion on this though, dude. Try one of these. Like, I feel like they need to be like piping hot, dude. They're like ice cold.
The flavor's not even that very good. 5 out of 10. Royal usually is better than that. They're kind of cold and they don't really taste like much. All right, good news. They did not forget my Caesar salad. That is exciting stuff. It looks good, a little dry, but we'll see. You know what did look good? The salad's pre-made in the buffet for dinner. Let's try this again. Not my best Royal Caesar, not my worst. Middle of the road, good Caesar. Middle of the road, I've had definitely better and definitely worse.
There we go.
I don't know.
Means just came. Honestly, the fried chicken looks really freaking good.
It looks huge.
It's a hot Tabasco honey. That's the spaghetti bolognese, and then I'll be honest, the steak looks pretty.
It does actually look pretty. It actually looks, not gonna lie, pretty fire. Also, we did skip on dessert tonight, guys, but we may go get donuts later in the Windjammer. It's kind of hard without a steak knife, dude. Okay, well that's what we're working with, so let's try. It's okay. This looks like it sat under a heat lamp for a while. That is good. It is so salty. No, try. I want to know.
Definitely salty.
Listen, this steak's not bad at all. Not bad. Just not the best I've had. Now that is pretty. That might be the meal to get. It was the chef recommendation tonight.
The crust is not good.
Oh no, was my chicken tender better at the buffet? Listen guys, I had a chicken tender earlier at the buffet. It was amazing.
It's like soggy.
Alright, let's see.
That's pretty good.
So breading not a 10, but the chicken pretty good. There you go. So I would get it again. It's not my favorite. Also really, really salty. And 7 out of 10 for that. So not amazing, but not bad by any means. So there you go. So Carson had one more bite of this, and I feel like I was being delusional saying it's salty. What's
It
your?
is like almost unedible.
It's like it got dropped into the ocean.
I think they did.
So salty, dude. And listen, hold on. For reference, we love salt. Like
It's the noodles.
that's so weird.
They are so salty. It's unedible. Cool music. It's happening on ship now.
Hey. Dinner was good, not great, but not bad.
Yeah.
I'll probably go back.
6.8.
Yeah. Service terrible.
Service honestly hindered it heavily.
Yes.
Service like a 1 actually.
Service really bad. Food was good.
Yeah, so we're gonna go play the casino a little bit and then
Ice show.
see you at the ice show.
Alrighty, here we are at the ice show for our sailing. There's only one night there's an ice show, one night there's a Broadway show, and one night there's a comedian. So it is some cut the rope stuff to get a seat in here. So make sure you come super early. I think we still have 10 minutes and it is full. So get here early and we'll show you the ice show as much as we can. Show. I think it's called Wonder, I think, or something like that, or something like of the world. It goes through the world. We have been to a couple ice skating shows, and every single time we say we won't go back. It's not that the people in it are bad, it's just the context is never very good. So personally, it would be a skip for me. We did bow out a little early. They are very great ice skaters, amazing. There were some really good tricks and flips and all the things, but it's just the storyline is not there. But we're gonna see how tomorrow goes. That's supposed to be amazing. But for us, ice skating show, what do you think?
They need to do new music and I would like it.
Or something. I don't know.
Anything new. It's just like
the plot line.
the
like
plot
this.
makes no sense. The songs suck in it.
Great ice skaters. It's just hard to
The
get through.
songs
But if it's your thing, great. But for us, I would skip it. Definitely go see the Broadway show. We're gonna go to the casino for a little bit, and then we have the silent disco upstairs, which I am so excited about, and then maybe the nightclub. So see you there. Fun fact: I came upstairs really quick. We skipped dessert at the main dining room because all I could think about were these dang hand-fried donuts that they have here at the Windjammer. Carson's a loser and wanted to stay in the casino an extra 10 minutes, so up here by myself getting donuts. Let's see if these donuts are still being made because, oh my god, guys. Seriously, check out our channel for the buffet tour. You'll really see it, but I'm going to show you real quick. All right, so he's not hand frying them right now, but look at this donut bar, guys. Look at the donut bar, and then he fries them. Look, he's frying them right there. They're like little donut triangles. They ran out of donuts. I don't know, but I'm getting one. All right, so I kind of panic grabbed because, again, time is short, but look how soft. Oh my god, insane. This, nope, rock hard. But I figured I would have to try it. But this is the fresh stuff. Oh my god, guys. Wow. If they're doing donut day on your ship, on your cruise, go. Because that is delicious. And I'm not a big sweet girl. I could miss dessert every night and not really care. Worth your time. Alrighty, we are here on the promenade. It's super loud. We are here for Bring That Beat Back. And it's going to be here on the promenade. I'm assuming they're going to dance up there, so fingers crossed, because we are securing our spot right here. But it's getting crazy, getting busy. 5 minutes, we'll bring you back.
This is another show. This is your backup party. Let's go, let's start.
Banana, 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 disco, baby.
Alrighty, so that was our first day on Liberty of the Seas. Mixed emotions. I'm not sure where it ranks in my Royal Caribbean ranking, but I've had a great day. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Royal Caribbean's brand new island in Nassau. So excited for that. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.